Specialised Movers is a BAR-registered, Sheffield-based removals company that specialises in all aspects of commercial and domestic removals, including offices, libraries, factories, hospitals, museums, schools and local government facilities. Our experts will work with you to minimise the impact of moving, no matter if you have a small or large local or international premises. We have the expertise to move anything, anywhere with our fleet of various vehicles and expertise for every job, regardless of complexity. We are also licensed waste carriers and will provide a full green solution for your redundant furniture. This also includes disposal of IT under the WEE directive. We offer full crate services and also have a range of specialist removal equipment, which sets Specialised Movers apart from our competition. As well as this, we offer shredding services. Within a few hours, your confidential waste will be processed into unrecognisable and unrecoverable fragments. A detailed certificate of destruction is then issued to you for your records. For more information, give us a call or get an instant online quote for your home move.